I told you this was gonna happen. One day.
It wouldn't have happened if I wouldn't have backed up.
Yeah. I really fucked up and tried to.
Yeah, I knew as soon as he crested that little fucking hill,
Christ.
he was done.
I was like, don't do it.
Yeah, it was slipping. That's the worst feeling when that motherfucker kept slipping back.
And when you got out and you saw it.
Oh, and yeah, if you'd been in there when it was still slipping, I'd have had to try to. I'd forgot about Hunter. I'd have had to get him though.
Yeah.
It would have got out through the window.
Yeah, I know, but
I would have got out through the window, but I seen that fucking deal going down and Hunter. Hey, will you grab that for me?
what happened to the cab here?
When I was getting them 4x6s.
Oh yeah.
Well,
God damn that thing.
that was story for Monday.
Hey, Josh, can you give me a ride to work Monday?
I think you can.
Oh, this fucking sucks.
God damn it, motherfucker.
Hey, at least we got 5 ducks.